One thing I always do is I make to-do list. I make a lot of to-do list. I plan out my day, I plan out my week sometimes. But what we don't do is we should make an avoid list, okay? When we plan out our day, a lot of the times what happens, we don't follow it exactly and we do other stuff that we are not supposed to do. And this is exactly why we need to make an avoid list. And that avoid list can include, and it should actually be according to your routine. Okay, no one can tell you what your avoid list should be. You need to analyze whatever you're doing throughout the day and what are the things you should actually avoid. And for that you need to study your daily routine for quite a few days, like for 3 to 4 days, and then you can come up with your own avoid list. It can also include not opening Instagram right after you wake up. Like, I can't tell enough how bad it is to watch 10 different types, no, 100 different types of content in just 5 minutes of span. Can you imagine how much that would affect your brain, and it would just kill your creativity and everything that's inside of it? Okay, another thing I want to talk about is motivation. You all need to understand how temporary motivation is. Motivation will last for a few minutes, few hours, or a day at max. And what after that? What's your plan after that? We all are wired in a way to think that once we feel motivated, then we'll start working. But that is completely the wrong concept. Motivation follows action. It's not the other way around. It's never the other way around. Look, when we will start doing the task and we will see even a tiny bit of progress in it, motivation will appear. Look, no one wakes up every single day with the same amount of energy and same amount of excitement to chase their goals or to complete whatever tasks they have. The energy level you are having right now, you won't have it for the rest of your life. It won't be same. Now you're feeling motivated, now you're feeling energized, and that doesn't mean the next day or the day after tomorrow you will feel the exact same amount of energy. Your energy level will fluctuate, and what will stay with you? Discipline. You need to start walking or chasing your goals even if you don't feel motivated. That is something you need to tell your brain. When you don't feel like doing it, your brain will give any amount of excuse, or it will just uh, tell you to wait for the motivation to hit you, and that is the exact moment you need to start training yourself. So to actually do this, you need to find the right moment. You need to wait for a time when you are actually supposed to do something and you don't feel like doing it, and at that time you need to push yourself and actually show up at that work, and you will feel a lot of motivation after doing that. But you have to do this many times in order to actually rewire your brain into thinking that discipline comes first and then motivation comes after.